The topic we're going to be talking about today is going to be on air pollution. Air pollution releases particles and gases into the air. We're going to be discussing the four types of air pollution and the effects they have towards lungs, and also how the four types of air pollutions affect the environment. Particulate matter is a complex mixture of solids and liquids, including carbon, complex organic chemicals, mineral dust, and water suspended in the air. Effects of the lungs. The size of the particulate matter determine the effects. Large particles can be trapped in the nose and reach the airways. Fine particles may even reach the breathing scapula deep in the lungs, and ultrafine particles may even cross into the bloodstreams. An example of a particulate matter is a hair follicle. For example, you can have fine beach sand on it. You could have organic compound, dust, pollen, even mold on a hair follicle. Nitrogen dioxide, a gas, and is its major component of urban air pollution episodes. Effects on the lungs. High levels can irritate and inflame the lining of your airways, causing a flare-up of asthma. An example is when pressing on your gas, the motor releases to the muffler air, and that causes pollution. The ozone, a gas composed of 3 atoms of oxygen. Effects on the lung. High levels can cause comfort when breathing, reducing your lung capacity. An example is the ozone is the ground level foreign pollution when emitted to cars, power plants, and even factories. Sulfur dioxide is colorless gas with a pigment suffocating smell. Effects of the lungs is irritating the lining of the nose, tightness of the chest, which narrows the airways, which reduces the flow of the air into the lungs. An example would be breathing in the air that the pollution from the factories come out of. Effects of the four types of pollution. Factories produce sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. They are emitted to the atmosphere and transfer into the wind and the air components. This causes acid air. The effects of acid air are dying fish. Dying fish causes, this is the elements for fish to survive from their food. This is poorly for the environment. And the second one would be, they also cause damage to the soil and trees. Burning fuel in vehicles' engines give nitrogen oxide to the gas. That would be when you press gas into the car and the muffler puts out the gas in the air, and that would be pollution.